This is Aiden.
If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Some after work yoga? Oh, really? Okay, that's not too bad. What makes you say that? Nice to meet you. Are you guys dating?
Okay, Aiden, so how was today?
Really good.
Okay, so today I'm in New York. I'm with Aiden.
So Aiden, 25, I'm a software engineer. I previously was really socially anxious. I was very drained by, talking to people, anyone, even at parties. And I didn't like that. Just the stories I tell of just not being good enough, people aren't gonna like me, or I guess maybe if I'm rejected, it's indicative of who I am as a person, if that makes sense.
Any last word before we start?
Oh, I think that's it. So now we roll the intro, right? Hello, his name is Ruben. Hey, excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you. I just noticed when you were walking around, I wanted to say hi. I thought you were cute.
Hi.
Hey, are you going anywhere? Am I bothering you? I won't take
I'm going
long.
back to work.
Got it. No worries. I have a friend anyways that I left, but I just wanted to introduce myself.
Oh,
and
okay.
what's your name?
Yep.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where do you work?
At a showroom just on 21st.
Oh, a showroom. Interesting. So like fashion, that kind of thing?
No, I sell architectural lighting.
You sell architectural
Lighting?
lighting. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so I bet your home is very aesthetic.
Yes.
Got it. Okay.
I try. Yes.
That's awesome. That's really cool. Maybe I'll get some tips from you sometime or something like that. But do you want to get a drink or something at some point?
Sure.
Awesome. All right, I'll grab your number.
Okay.
When are you free?
Geez, probably not till next Thursday.
Okay.
Next weekend.
Next, not this upcoming, but.
Well, yeah.
Okay, got it. I'm
this
flying back home to Oregon for Christmas. I don't know when exactly that lands, but we'll figure something out.
Okay.
That's quick. Awesome.
Nice
Great
to meet you.
Yeah, have a good one.
Well, but that was easy. Oh my god.
Dude, that was a good start, man. I mean, come on.
We haven't finished to say my introduction. And...
All right, so there we go. I mean, that's it. The day is done. Part of the reason why that went so well is maybe just the subtle things of I'm just feeling good, feeling really comfortable, and I'm sure that they pick up on it.
Today I'm gonna say things, I'm not saying that I have the source of truth. I just feel that, when you meet someone and you're like, when are you free? There's a lot of pressure,
I'm thinking that if I don't start the process of kind of concretizing it, then it's just gonna fizzle. Let's
my
figure it
response
out.
to that is I feel that this train of thought is rooted in pessimism.
You're totally right.
It's not. Yeah.
Okay, already. This is amazing, dude. Okay, yeah. Hey, I'm sorry, guys. I don't mean to interrupt. I got to go meet a friend anyways, but I actually thought you were cute. I just wanted to say hi and introduce myself.
Thank you.
What's your name? Oh. Congratulations.
Thank you.
No worries. Have a good one, guys. I think she was kind of dumbfounded that I walked up to her, which was interesting. I think she liked it. Both of them thought it was cool. But then she just held up her hand and there's a big diamond.
Yeah.
Hey, excuse me, guys. This is a really weird question.
Sure.
I don't normally do this, but I thought you were cute. Are you guys dating? Or are you guys?
We're not. But we're cute.
I wanted to see if you wanted to get drinks or something sometime.
How old are you?
Yes.
Are you over 30?
I'm not over 30.
Then.
But age is just a number. How old are you?
I'm 30.
You're 30?
Yeah.
So you only date at your age or up?
Yeah, I do.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Emotional maturity.
So you think that it's impossible for someone that's under 30 to have the emotional security?
It's not likely.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So I feel like I'm very confident in my emotional maturity. So let's get drinks sometime, and then you can tell me if you think I'm emotionally mature.
How old are you?
I'm 25.
That's too young.
It's too young?
It is too
You're not open? I mean, there's no risk. We can always just be friends. You actually do seem really cool. Here, I'll grab your number, and then if it doesn't work out, then friends, or you can ghost me, or...
I would give you.
You would?
I would.
Okay, let's...
Yeah,
What's your name? I didn't even get your name. What are you guys up to?
Just kind of getting a quick bite.
Nice.
Hanging out.
Awesome. Well, enjoy the day, guys. It was great to meet you.
You too.
We'll connect sometime. Are you recording? Dude,
Damn,
holy
bro.
shit.
That was really good.
That
First
was
of all-
fucking crazy.
first of all,
I cannot tell you how rewarding that was, because one, I felt pretty connected to her. And not only was this guy who I thought was gonna be all up in my face or whatever because they're dating, he started pushing for me. He was like, dude, I would do it. Now I have that data point that's like exactly what I needed, irrespective of any kind of video for my own personal growth. Like being able to encounter that situation, which traditionally, there's this phenomenon where like once you get past a barrier, you kind of realize what state you were in before. And I'm really realizing how much of a barrier I thought that was, like talking to somebody.
Before and after.
Exactly, like a before and after. Hey, excuse me, I thought you were cute, so I figured I'd stop you. I'm sorry if I scared you. Yeah, exactly.
I appreciate it.
No, yeah, I just want to introduce myself. Oh, nice green phone. I didn't even know they made that. That's not the case, right? It's a clear case. Interesting. That's cool. No, what's your name? I'm Aiden.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. So what are you off to? Why are you not working today?
I am working. I'm on my way back to the office.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I don't want to bother you. I got to meet up with my friend anyways, but do you want to get a drink sometime or
I
something
have
like
a
that?
boyfriend.
No worries. Oh, it's great to meet you. Have a good day.
Try to talk a bit slower. Like I just felt like the beginning, the first few sentences, like I just felt like you were.
I blurted out or
I just felt like
something.
you were talking very fast.
Hey, excuse me. I just saw you while I was ordering and figured I would kick myself if I didn't at least introduce myself to you.
Okay.
I thought you were cute.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, of
What's your
course.
name?
Aiden. So.
Are you a student here?
No. I just work remotely, so I just kind of travel around. But New York,
Nice.
you in New York for now?
That sounds really cool.
It's really cool, yeah, and it's
I
just
know
really fun.
quite a few digital nomads.
Yeah.
They're-
I hate that term. It makes me sound like
Yeah,
a total
one of my
hipster.
fellow students.
You're a
Yeah.
law student. Okay. So how much longer do you have?
I'm a first year.
First year.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay. So it's of 4 years.
It's a 3-year program.
Okay, that's not too bad.
Well, are you staying in New York longer? Or?
Like another month or so, something
really?
like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, until February is when I go to Amsterdam.
Where do you, you go to Amsterdam?
Yeah. Never been to Europe, so if you have recommendations.
Wow.
Well, I gotta go meet a friend, but do you want to get drinks or something sometime?
Yeah,
or?
sure, yeah.
Awesome. I'll take your number. But it's great to meet you. So I took your advice on not being slowing it down a little bit, being more present, which I don't think for some of the actions wasn't a problem, but I think it was especially good here of just being present in the interaction. She was cool. And just kind of letting myself sit in the interaction, letting it play out, and getting to know her a little bit better was really
you
good.
were more relaxed. You were kind of leaning. on
Exactly.
the thing.
Hey, excuse me. I just saw you. I saw you were walking. I thought you were cute. I want to introduce
you.
myself.
I'm getting to work actually
Oh,
right now.
no worries.
I'm sorry.
No worries. Yeah. Have a good one. I was debating in my head whether I should push a little bit back.
I could sense your hesitation in that moment.
So you would say oh yeah, I'll let you go to work, but I'd love to get a drink or something.
I'll let you.
It took too long for me to formulate how to transition, and that's probably the
I could tell.
hesitation.
But it's fine, the more you do this, the more things are going to slow in your mind, and then you'll be able to
Exactly.
those moments,
Yeah.
you know?
What's up, man? I thought you looked interesting. I wanted to come say hi. Yeah. Are you visiting or you live here? Really? From where?
From LA.
LA? What brings you here? Got it.
How long have you been here?
About a month and a half. And I'm gonna stay. I've never traveled before, so I work remotely, so I've had this opportunity to be able to travel Europe and all that. So I'm gonna do it. And I don't know. I just really enjoy when I travel.
You're going to go to Europe or you did already?
No, I'm going to. And I'm realizing the thing I like the most about traveling is connecting with people. And so that's why, I don't know if it's weird for me to come up and just introduce myself, but
Cool.
nice to meet you. Have you done the High Line?
I have. I've been to New York probably. I used to live in Montreal.
Oh, wow. Very cool. So Seattle, Montreal. Wow. So where's the best place so far? Where are you going to settle?
Good question. I don't know. I like LA right now, honestly. But it's fun to be in
LA? Really? It's not too distributed? I feel like the LA traffic, it would just piss me off.
Yeah. You kind of just build your life. I've only been there for the last year.
And aren't people super, because I have this image of them being super concerned with their image and hipstery and standoffish. What draws you to LA?
I'm not even sure, to be honest, but at least the weather is nice. I'm gonna be in LA until end of January. So if you're around, if you want to be on video, if you just want to hang out, get coffee, get dinner, shoot me an email at ruben@socialanimal.us. The hats are still available at socialanimal.us. And that's it. Let's get back to the video.
Yeah, what makes you say that? Just the remote? Is it the vibe? Please tell me, is it?
Seattle.
Seattle, the Patagonia. Are you meeting up with a friend or?
Right now?
Yeah.
I'm going to meet at the gallery.
Oh, got it. But you have some time to kill, that's why you're here.
I did. I'm actually leaving now though.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, yeah. No, it sounds good. Yeah. If I'm ever in LA, will you show me around or something like that?
Sure.
All right, cool. I'll grab your number.
Okay.
was nice to meet you, man. I love like meeting people, and then whenever I go to that place, just like connecting. It's cool. Nice to meet you, man. I'll text you. Cool, man. Enjoy your gallery. Enjoy your stay. It's good. I feel like what we've been doing, and that's kind of what I thought is like facing the fear, or like, you know, talking to women. It makes it so that you feel a lot more comfortable just like shooting the shit with a guy, and I felt good. Got his number. I think I'll hit him up if I'm ever in LA. I think before, when I was first starting interacting with people, the big thing that was in my head was like, how do I possibly start the interaction without coming across as weird? And this time, I just kind of like said, hey, sat down, was comfortable, and assumed friendship, and he had no problem with it, you know?
If you own it, then it's fine.
Some after work yoga?
Not really, just doing some stretching.
Some stretching?
So,
Got it. That's good. Yeah, my lower back, I feel like I sit all day, you know? I feel like, yeah. I thought you were cute, so I figured I'd come say hi.
g'day.
G'day. Are you from Australia? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Australia.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
All right. Very cool. Just visiting?
Yeah, just for a little holiday.
Got it. Very cool. Visiting some friends, or?
Yeah, got a few cousins here and a mate as well. So,
Got it.
yeah.
So what are you planning on doing before you leave?
Just chilling.
Yeah.
Just stretching and basically
just gonna keep, you know, I'm just gonna come here to this park and stretch, and that'll be my New York experience.
pretty much. I was planning to do more, but now that I'm here, like, I just need a good rest and just to like take it, you know, keep it low key. So
Yeah, totally. That's cool. Well, I gotta go meet up with a friend or something like that. But you want to see? There's some really cool rooftop bars. You want to go? You want to go to like a rooftop bar or something? Be a real New York experience.
I don't know. I've like got into giving my number to strangers.
Yeah.
But you do seem lovely. But
Well, no pressure whatsoever.
I'm paranoid when I'm traveling. You know.
Interesting. Yeah, I mean, no harm. Just the first rooftop I ever went to. It's on 230th. Even if we don't go, you should definitely check it out. It's like right by. It's really good. Yeah.
Nice.
You know what? You want to go? I mean, let's go sometime before you leave.
I don't know.
I'll-
Instagram or something.
I don't use Instagram. I'm not a big social media guy.
Yeah, okay. Always like to do the background check, you know.
Oh, interesting. I mean, you can see it, but there's no pictures. You want my Facebook?
Sure, I'll grab you.
Okay, well, here.
name's Aiden.
Here, okay, I'll grab your number and then I'll text you my Facebook. You can do the background check. Oh, you don't have a US number? Okay, well, I'll grab the Facebook. No promises I'm going to respond on it, but I'll have you search for yourself and then. No, it's great to meet you. If I pass the background check, then I would love to grab a rooftop drink or something like that. So just let me know. Good to meet you. I kind of thought from watching the videos that it was more of just like a go face your fears, have all these interactions, but you kind of, the other piece of it is that it's about living your life and just like whenever you have that urge to go talk to that person, you just do it, and it's very natural, and it's about getting to that point where you can be in that flow to just not censor yourself.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching this video?
Get out there, do it. Once you do it, you realize it's really not that bad, and you also realize the potential upside of putting yourself out there. There's a lot of connections to be made, and it's really rewarding once you realize that you are good enough and you put yourself out there, just the connections you can make.
Any last word?
That's it. Ruben, thank you for the opportunity, man. It's really special.
Thank you.